Okay, and okay, go guys.
All right. So basically, what we did was we did a laser scan of the room, and so the laser scan is what it does is it goes out and it collects millions of point measurements, and then what it does is it goes and takes pictures and it colors those points with what's in the room. So right now I have probably about, I don't know, 35, 40 million points of measurements in this room, and so when you look at it, it's a 3D model.
Okay.
Okay, so now what we did was, you can see where the screen was, when it took the photos, it colors the wall with whatever it sees in terms of color. So it projected the images that it found onto those points, and so that's what you see here at this point. And we can do different things to this in terms of how we want to view it and that sort of thing. But what we're going to do in a minute here is I'm going to export this. I'm going to take this stuff here and I'm going to put it into another program, and that will allow me to take the screen and put a model of the screen in place as if it was coming down from the wall.
Are there a lot of these systems in Toronto?
There aren't very many. It's still a relatively new thing, but it's growing. A lot of people are
It's
seeing that.
great. It's really great.
Yeah.
See, our biggest thing why we're starting to do this is because we used to do all this manually. So all of our diagrams and everything we did, we used to do individual measurements and take everything. So it would take a technician to measure out a room and get all the dimensions in this 3.5 hours to get it all and lay it down. I'll show you what it looks like the way we used to do it and why we're going to this. You're only the second one we're doing this on right now.
So you can use me as a model.
That's what we're doing.
A beautiful model at that.
We did one at 9 o'clock this morning,
So-
we're doing yours right now.
See, now we're looking at the, let me do something.
Can you imagine when Rudder sees a dog? My dog, when he sees a dog on television, he goes crazy.
Yeah, of course.
If he sees a dog on this,
Yeah. So now you have, it's just like as if you're in the room. So now it's, it's like the view from where you are.
so we can
You're sitting
decorate
from
the room.
above.
Yeah, we can decorate
You're sitting
the room.
beside the projector there.
Okay.
There's part of the projector. And it's-
See, your high chair, the high chair was there in front of the
Okay.
picture
But your
when we were doing
painting's
that.
still in the same
But the
spot.
painting's exactly the same
Okay,
spot.
okay. Well, I have my decorator is coming this afternoon, so he can help me.
They could use a tool like this before you allow them to hang the picture. That
Yeah.
you could actually say, "I'd like it here." No, I'd like it here before you put a hole in the wall.
Exactly. So I'm going to keep working here. I'll unplug this. I'm going to keep doing a few things, and then when I'm done at the end, I'll show you what I've got.
I'm gonna go and get